How's it going? My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right here is a 2023 Jeep Wrangler Willys 4xe. I'm going to do a quick video, go over all the great features on this thing. So let's hop right into it. Okay, starting out front, don't mind the snow, but you're going to have this amazing hydro blue color. I think it's a beautiful color on these Wranglers. Blacked out front grille, LED headlights. You have the nice bumper with the blue recovery points because it is a 4xe. Okay, starting along the side of the car now, it's gonna have some giant 33-inch off-road tires, some Firestones. It's gonna be super well equipped with this Willys. Pretty much gonna be able to handle anything that you have to throw at it, whether it be winter weather, rain, you want to take it off-roading, anything like that. This whole system and those tires will be able to grip and make sure you're nice and safe and having fun. So this is a hybrid Jeep, so you're gonna have your electric plug-in right here. It's gonna take a level 1 or a level 2 charger. It comes with the level 1 charger. Just plug it right in to any outlet at home. Take about 12 hours, but it'll get you from 20 to 80 overnight. So it's gonna have these rock rails down here as well. So if you are off-roading it, you don't have to worry about anything kind of hitting up and hitting your frame down there. And just taking a look, you get this really nice blue color, like I mentioned, but you can kind of see it a little bit better. 3-piece hardtop. It is going to come in the black as well as the black fenders as well. And as per usual, because even though it's a hybrid, you had your gas nozzle right here. Okay, finishing off our exterior walkthrough in the back now. Obviously, spare tire as per usual with the Jeeps. You have your backup camera right down here. We'll pop this open. Again, don't mind the snow. That'll be cleared off before you buy it, but pop this open and you get a good look at the trunk. Like I said, it's gonna have the level 1 charger, so just plug it in overnight. But you can see just how much space you have back here. You have some nice Alpine speakers as well, and you can actually fold that back seat down to give you more space if need be. Taking a look now at the interior, starting with the back seat, you're gonna have some really nice cloth seats back here, fastest drying cloth seats in the market. And you have your Jeep floor mats as well. So if you do take it off-roading or, you know, on a snowy day like now, if your feet are wet, anything like that, you jump inside, they won't stain that carpet. But you have some vents back here as well. And above you, you have your stereo system as well. And finishing off our walkthrough in the front seat, again, like I said, you have this really nice cloth seating. You have a nice leather stitched steering wheel. You're gonna have a bunch of buttons to help control the cruise control. If you're answering or ending a phone call, some of the buttons to also control the dashboard, so you can go through some of the settings. But moving on, it's going to have a Uconnect 4 system, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with this infotainment system. You can control your climate through it as well, even though you do have a bunch of climate control buttons down there. Also, you have a lot of the Jeep settings in there and go through and kind of customize the Jeep how you would like it. Moving down, like I said, you have all your climate control buttons, window buttons, different aux buttons, and down here you have your shifter as per usual, cup holders, and a ton of space in the center console. This car is going to have basically like no miles. It has 3,600 miles, so it's just getting started, ready for its next owner. And if you have any more questions that I have not already answered, or you think that this Jeep might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Come on in, take a test drive, anything like that. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, for Everett 101.